Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, there lived a curious and kind-hearted little boy named Tommy. Tommy had a special fondness for nature, and his eyes sparkled with wonder at the simplest things around him. One sunny day, as Tommy explored his backyard, he discovered a magical sight, a chrysalis hanging from a branch. Excitement bubbled within him as he realized a butterfly was about to emerge. Tommy, being the caring soul he was, decided to lend a helping hand to the little creature inside. With small scissors, Tommy carefully snipped a tiny opening in the chrysalis, hoping to make the butterfly's emergence a bit easier. But little did he know, nature had its own plans. The butterfly struggled to break free, its delicate wings caught within the confines of the chrysalis. Tommy watched in anticipation, his heart full of hope. However, the butterfly's wings remained folded and lifeless, never fully stretching out as they should. Days passed, and Tommy couldn't help but feel a sense of sadness whenever he glanced at the lifeless butterfly. It wasn't until a quiet evening, as Tommy sat in his cozy room reading a book about nature, that he stumbled upon a valuable lesson. The words on the pages gently spoke to him, telling the tale of how butterflies need the struggle of emerging from the chrysalis to pump vital fluids into their wings. It explained that by cutting the chrysalis, Tommy unintentionally deprived the butterfly of that struggle, hindering its ability to fully experience life. Tommy's eyes widened with realization, and a pang of regret washed over him. The book had taught him that interfering too much with nature, even with the best intentions, might lead to unintended consequences. Nature had its way of nurturing and guiding, and Tommy understood the importance of letting it unfold naturally. From that day forward, Tommy embraced the wisdom he gained. He continued to explore the wonders of nature, appreciating its intricate balance and the beauty of life's struggles. The once saddened little boy now shared the lesson with others, encouraging them to let nature take its course and not tamper with the essence of living things. And so, in the heart of that little village, surrounded by hills and meadows, Tommy learned that sometimes the best way to help is by allowing nature to weave its own magical tapestry, ensuring that every creature can spread its wings and dance freely in the rhythm of life.